In America's crowded TV sports landscape, we've seen just about everything. But where can we find the sport of kings? Cricket. It is the #2 sport on earth, behind only soccer in worldwide appeal. Passionate but underserved American fans, desperate for cricket on television, where can they turn? One World Sports, America's network for global sports. Home to the England national cricket team. All the action, passion, and excitement from renowned cricket grounds all over the UK. In 2014 alone, One World Sports offers more than 500 hours of live and exclusive TV coverage of the England national cricket team. And this summer, one of the greatest rivalries in global sports, England versus India. A competition painted in political intrigue, historical subtext, a craving to win at all costs for national pride. It all adds up to passion and attention like no other sporting event.
This is the sound of a heartbeat. This is the sound of a desperation. By our own collisions, we are the voice of breaking down.
The hunger for cricket in England, South Asia, and the Caribbean translates into hunger for cricket in the United States. And as Americans continue to embrace global sports, the demand for cricket grows. And in 2015, history will be written as One World Sports presents the England national cricket team in their rivalry of rivalries, like Duke versus North Carolina, Michigan, Ohio State, Red Sox, Yankees, England versus Australia. A cricket rivalry steeped in history, known simply as the Ashes. 2015 awaits the England national cricket team, exclusively televised on One World Sports, America's network for global sports.